Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to cancel Whoop free trial, so let's get started. Remember, to avoid being charged $239 or your local equivalent for an annual membership, you must cancel within your 1 month trial and return your device. Here's how to cancel in the app. Open Whoop app and go to My Account. Tap the More tab, then select My Account. Tap Membership. Find and tap on Membership within your account settings. Select Cancel Membership or Initiate Return. Follow the prompts until you get to your return shipping label or QR code. Download or save this immediately. This part is critical. Simply cancelling isn't enough. Package both. Pack your Whoop device and the battery pack securely. Ship promptly. Mail it within 7 days of getting your label. You're responsible for return shipping costs. Fail to return both items and you will be billed for the annual membership, so don't forget to ship it back. You'll get a confirmation email once your return is processed. That's it, quick and simple. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.